All right, so HWASA just dropped "I Love My Body," and from like what you guys tell me, or like my viewers tell me, saying that it's about body positivity, which I mean I feel like she's always been that way, and I think this message needs to be more relayed more often. I feel so. I'm pretty excited to see what HWASA has to say in these lyrics too, actually, because we already know she look good. She look good, all right. She look good, all right. And it says, "I love my body." Yeah. I feel like the hardest thing is to learn how to love yourself. I feel like all of us can relate or go through that. Not just in just body wise, just like, in everything. So we need some more self-love, I feel. But without further ado, see the hat. Peach, please go get your merch. Link in the description. It's a collab with Core Limited. I don't know why I said it like that, but without further ado, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Without further ado, let's check out HWASA's "I Love My Body" in 3, 2, 1. Ah.
I love my body, that's my body, I love my body.
Okay. Oh, that reminds me, I need to wash my face too, girl. Okay, girlie. Cover my eyes once and look closely. You'd be like, God damn, that's me. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, okay, Miss Ma'am. It said it's okay to be okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. True. What's the answer? Hey. Okay. Whether I lost weight or not, what is it? Is damn right. What is it to you? Like that hit. Whether I lost weight or not, what's it to you? People really concentrate on the weirdest things. I'm not gonna lie. It's no longer good to see you. Yeah. Don't be talking smack, hating on me like I'm worth so much. Yeah. You hype yourself up. Ooh. Very retro, old school with some trap beat. Like, at least in the chorus. Okay. Gotta keep this thought. What we gonna keep? Okay, her hair do be shining though. Oh. Hey. And this goes out towards not just like, HWASA herself, but like everyone, every idol, every person, bro. The standards are too unrealistic. I'm telling y'all. The higher standard. Love yourself. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Hey, Miss Shiny. Yo, hey. She a baddie though already. You already know. And every girl around here already baddies in my book. Ooh, with cop sirens. Ooh, with a like bubble pop kind of like beat too. Hey, get that. Hey, ooh. I wonder what this is filmed in Korea too. Damn. Okay, we looking back at it. Let's go. Oh snap. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Strut that strut. Walk that walk. Talk that talk too. I forgot she did sign with P Nation. That iconic like signing the whole contract. All right, y'all. What's your take on HWASA's "I Love My Body"? Put the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. I mean, it's a really positive message. I feel like a lot of people need to hear, like, it's okay to be okay. It's okay to not be okay too. And I'm also proud of HWASA for, you know, loving herself, even though what other people say, you know, she don't care, but she loves herself. I feel like self-love is very important. It's a great song, great message, great video. Again, put the comments down below what you guys think of HWASA's I Love My Body. I do stream on Twitch if you already don't know. Come on, guys. Go join my Twitch live streams. It'd be lit. Sometimes it'd be on like, you know, since I do it like almost every day, sometimes it'd be on like, I have these low days. I'm like, I'm just tired. But your boy's always constantly editing, streaming. Follow the Instagram if you haven't already as well. Get your Peach Please merch. We got shirts and hats. Link in the description. And yeah, see you to the next video. Peace.